The most important thing about objective three is how to use the statement of cash flow to calculate free cash flow. However, the book does start off with how these activities affect companies based on how old these companies are. So, companies that are very, very new um, rely very heavily on financing. So, what you're seeing in the stock market today with a lot of companies raising lots of money, whether it's Coinbase from the other day, or whether it's a DoorDash or an Uber or things like that. They're in the financing stage. These are very new companies. They don't have anything established yet. They need to raise lots of money so they can start building their products and establishing their reputations and so forth. So as you notice, there's a high amount of financing activity going on when companies are brand new, and that's what you're seeing a lot today. However, as companies start to establish themselves, you'll look what happens. The amount of cash flow provided by operating activities starts to really increase, right? Well, operating activities is about more or less the income statement. So as that's increasing, the company is becoming more profitable. As the company is becoming more profitable, it's relying a lot more um, on its retained earnings to reinvest in itself, et cetera, and less so on financing. Financing starts to take a dip. As the company gets to be very a mature company, very, very well established, um, then what you see is operating activities is where they get most of their cash. This operating activity line, that's where they're getting most of their cash is from operating activity. There could be some more in investing activity, but look at that finance activity goes down because they're generating so much cash just from selling their products. It's very profitable. As companies get older or they go into sort of a decline, their profitability goes down, and so their cash flow from operating goes down. So this is sort of like a life cycle of a company as it relates to cash flows. Okay, and again, it's based on product life cycle. So I'm not going to get into. I just wanted to explain that. The most important thing, again, free cash flow. So free cash flow looks at what cash is remaining after you subtract out your capital expenditures and any cash dividends. So you start with your net cash provided by your operating activities. You take away your capital expenditures and you take away your cash dividends. And what you've got left is something called free cash flow. Okay. Um, so here we have Microsoft. It's funny it says Microsoft, but it's Apple. So I wish they could make up their mind. Let's go with Apple since that's what's on there. Here you have their net cash provided by operating activities. So here you're gonna look at that's the starting point for free cash flow. You have to subtract what they call a capital expenditure. So capital expenditures are investments usually in property, plant, and equipment. Okay. And then you have to take away your cash dividends. So using this information, what we'll see is we have cash of 59,713. That's the cash provided by operating activities. We're only subtracting out the capital expenditures, which is on property, plant, and equipment. So if you go back to this here, the additions to property, plant, and equipment is what we're subtracting out. Okay. Buying and selling of investments is not property, plant, and equipment. Okay. Buying another company, having investments that mature is not property, plant, and equipment. The only capital expenditures are property, plant, and equipment. So we subtract that out. We also subtract out our dividends. So you'll see that number next. Subtract that out as well. The difference is what we call free cash flow. Okay. And that's the last piece of analysis you're going to learn in this chapter. That's it. We're pretty much done. We're not going to be doing the direct method. The indirect method is the most common. So the last objective talks about how to do the cash flow statement using the direct method, but we're not going to learn that.